Want more privacy while using ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you a few settings you can change to reduce data sharing and control how your chats are stored. First, open ChatGPT. Once you're on the main screen, click your profile picture in the bottom left corner and select Settings. In the Settings menu, open the Data Control section. Here you'll find an option called Improve the Model for Everyone. If this setting is enabled, your conversations may be used to help improve future AI models. If you'd rather keep your chats out of training, simply turn this option off. After that, click Done to save your changes. For even more privacy, consider using temporary chat whenever you're discussing something you don't want saved in your chat history. Temporary chats aren't stored in your conversation list and are automatically removed after a period of time. Next, head back to Settings and open the Personalization section. Scroll down until you see Memory. If you don't want ChatGPT to remember information from previous conversations, turn off Reference Saved Memories. You can also click Manage to review any saved memories and remove ones you no longer want stored. These settings give you more control over your privacy and help you decide how much information ChatGPT keeps between conversations. A few quick adjustments can make a big difference if privacy is important to you.